Hello everyone, I am Christian Losada, the President of Labor Union. I am fully committed to achieving our goal, improving our wage and ensuring safety in our workplace and upholding our rights as workers. I am ready to listen to you. Together we will address the challenge we face. Let us work together to achieve a more comfortable and just situation for all of us. Our advocacy promoting the rights and welfare of workers. We believe that every worker deserves fair wage, that safe workplace, and reasonable working hours. Our mission to achieve justice and equal opportunity for all members of our union. We will do this by engaging with employers, governments, and other organizations to protect our rights and uphold our cause. The purpose of my union is improving wage, and we will strive to achieve a fair and reasonable wage increase and improving conditions for our members. And promoting workers' rights, we will fight for the rights of our members, including the right to organize collective bargaining and protection against discrimination and abuse.